What's up, guys? Welcome back. Quick short little video. I'll probably just upload just to put it on there, but we went riding at Fat Daddy's and my four-wheel drive light worked all weekend, off and on, whenever I wanted it to come on. And I checked my dry box, and my relays in the dry box were still dry. I never did Ducky. I was kind of doing a test experiment on the red one to see what would happen, and I was having blinking issues before. I don't know if the relays finally dried out or I just got lucky, whatever. But I actually kind of rushed that job. I did it in a day. I let the relays sit out in the sun for just a few hours on a mildly warm day. It wasn't even like blistering hot. And I tried to put them in the dry box to seal them up, keep them from getting dry. So once again, I cut all of the stuff off for here. I'm gonna remount it back. I'm gonna let the ECU and the relays dry out all day tomorrow. Just let it sit out, bake, get hot, drip dry, whatever. And I'm gonna actually install these into my second dry box that I bought, and hopefully test it this weekend at Hogwaller. And man, maybe this will actually fix the four-wheel drive solution in her bike too. If it works this weekend at Hogwaller and mine works all weekend, then I'll really start advertising this more and tell more people about it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I did have very good luck with it this weekend. Didn't have any issues. So if you go back and watch my how to waterproof four-wheel drive Foreman Rubicon relays, it definitely worked for me. So just be sure to watch in the future. Hopefully this week I'll keep posting up these little videos and tell you guys what's going on with it. But for now, Ducky's in the making, and the red bike did really good. So it's good news. We're moving forward.